Hello, my name is Mr. J and welcome to Mentari World of Science. Join me today for a moment of growing, learning, and igniting your curiosity. Have you ever wondered if a simple tea bag could defy gravity and take flight? So get ready to be amazed in this fun and easy experiment. We'll turn an ordinary tea bag like this into a tiny hot air balloon. Watch it rise, float, and soar, all thanks to the science of heat and air. So for our essential question,
How do the principles of heat
and air pressure work together to make a tea bag fly when ignited? So for the materials, we're going to be using a flat tea bag similar to this. Make sure to get the one that has a staple or that is actually tied with a thread that can eventually form into a cylinder like this. Okay? You'll also be needing a block marker, and this black permanent marker will be used to just decorate your tea bag later. You will also be needing a lighter. Then, of course, since this involves fire, it is a requirement for you to use the safety gear, this goggle. So, let's check on the second part with this exciting flying tea bag experiment. So for our experiment procedure, the first thing that you need to do is to remove the content of this tea bag. Make sure to use the content for your future refreshment. Then the next thing that you're gonna do is draw some faces on your tea bag as shown on the example that we have in here. So you can put a smiley face in there, or like an annoying face in there, or any face depending on the mood of your kids or of your students. And then the next thing that you're gonna do is make sure that they are standing in an upright position like this, shaped like a cylinder. And the exciting part is, of course, grab your lighter, but since, again, this involves fire or flame, you need to have your safety gear. So I want you to watch what will happen, okay? So I'm gonna light up the top of the tea bag and observe what will happen, okay? So we're gonna light the top of the tea bag on fire and watch what happens. So we are on the concluding part of the experiment. This is the part that I will be explaining the science behind this very cool flying tea bag activity. So be aware that some of the tea bags lift higher and faster than others. Some may burn all the way down before flowing. The humidity in the air may also change the flight of the tea bag. And as the air molecules inside the tea bag heats up, they move around more quickly and spread out, helping to open the tea bag into its floating shape. So the heated air molecules inside the tea bag are less dense and they are tightly packed, allowing these molecules in the cold air outside of the tea bag. And hopefully, the difference in the density between the warm air and the cold air causes the tea bag to turn into ash and float upwards, but it may go very quickly. So let's go further. How about using different lengths of tea bags? So we actually had a small and a tall one. How about you have a small and a medium and a tall one? How does it affect the float or flying? Try it at home. So once again, this is Mr. J. of the Mentari World of Science, igniting your curiosity.